Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun paper snake that actually moves and looks amazing. It's simple to make and I'll guide you through every step. You only need a square sheet of paper. First, we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals. So just bring one corner to the opposite one. Reinforce. Unfold it. And do the same with the other diagonal. For the next step, rotate the paper into this position and fold both sides to the center. Then we fold both sides to the center again. And once more. Now unfold this part and repeat the same logic horizontally. So first fold the bottom and top to the center. Then again. And finally, one more time. Instead of unfolding everything, this time just unfold the last two folds. Fold the corner on the right side using the existing crease. Then turn the paper and place it in this position. As you can see, the paper is divided into several small squares. We need to fold these two squares in half diagonally. We can fold the right side first. Then the left one. Once done, we need to adjust the folds so the paper looks like a small box. From now on, pay close attention and be very patient. In the left, we have this corner, this section, that will be the snake's head. We'll need to fold the paper in the following sections, creating these diagonal creases, like an X. You can do it however you like, but it's easier to reverse the middle crease and when you reach this point I showed earlier, just close the paper, creating those first two small diagonals. Check the other side to make sure nothing has unfolded. If something opened up, just fold it back. And go back to the other side. Now we need to open the paper again. Make the other two diagonals in the following section. And repeat the same process all the way to the end. We are going to create the diagonal folds here, so the final result looks like this. So, to do this, just skip one section, fold the next one, creating those diagonals, make the diagonals on the other section as well. Skip the following section again, and make that X on the ones that follow. And at the end of the tail, just close the paper once. With that, we have our origami snake. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!